Hi class, welcome to week 5 and great job on your assignments this last week. I really enjoyed watching the videos and was really impressed by your creativity and your humor. And like I said in the email that I sent to you, way to go on embedding the videos. This is the first semester that I've taught that the videos have all been embedded correctly. So nice job, props to you. Okay, so this week, the first thing you're going to want to do, like it says here, is to go through and read the instructions for both week 5 and week 6. That way you have kind of an idea of what you're aiming for over these next couple of weeks. And then basically this week you're going to be planning your virtual field trip, which is, you'll actually be creating it next week, but this week you're going to do the planning for it. So here are all of the requirements for your plans. Make sure that you have done all of that before you submit your URL to Gradebook for that page. And I'm going to take you through a little bit of week 5. So here we are. In week 5, you're going to download Google Earth. It's a free download for both PCs and Macs. If you don't want to download it for some reason on your computer, then go ahead and just go to the lab and use one of theirs. All of the computers there have Google Earth downloaded. Okay, oh, and it's also on the Macs in the lab. It's in the applications folder. So, okay, so after you've downloaded it, you're going to explore these tools. These links here actually take you to tutorials that kind of will get you associated with the tools and what they do. Remember, limit your use of layers to these. So actually these two here, visual and informational, those are the layers, and the tools are kind of separate. They're kind of like layers, but they're actually up on the toolbar at the top of Google Earth. I'm not going to show you those. I'm going to let you explore them on your own. The reason you need to explore those is because when you get to your assignment, let's see if I go back to this page, you're going to be choosing 3 locations. In each of those locations, you need to use a piece of media, so an image or video that supports the objective, like the reason you're taking your students to these 3 locations. And in each of these locations, you need to employ a layer. So, you need to use more than one of the layers. So those layers, your options for layers are these visual layers or these informational layers. Okay, and then at least one of the 3 locations must use one tool. So in addition to using a layer, one of the locations, so somewhere in your field trip, you need to use one of these tools listed here. Okay? And as you explore them, you'll see how they're different. And then you're going to, like it says here, describe in detail an activity at each location appropriate for the grade level. Keep in mind, reading a bunch of text from a Wikipedia hyperlink is not appropriate for elementary students, for keeping their attention. You might as well hand them a textbook if you're going to have them read a Wikipedia page. So it should be interactive and should not be these lengthy text websites. And it should teach the principle related to the objective. Okay, and then you're just going to make sure that once you've got that page with all these requirements done, up and ready, then you're going to submit that to Gradebook and complete the week 5 video reflection that will be up very soon. So that's it. Please send me an email if you have any questions, and have a great week.